the local listings landscape has changed. A decade ago, searchers used hundreds of different sites to discover local businesses. Now just a handful of sites dominate consumer engagement, and the landscape has split into two layers. First, there's the engagement layer, the sites consumers actually use to discover, evaluate, and engage with your brand. And then there's the authority layer. Consumers rarely use these sites, but they help you build authority with search engines. While the landscape has changed, listings management software hasn't, charging you a premium to manage listings on sites that consumers rarely use. Say every year you sacrifice your budget just to keep listings up to date. Try to break the cycle and you run the risk of listings reverting back to old, inaccurate data. But it doesn't have to be that way. At WebSuited, we've built the listings management solution for the web of today. LocalSync takes care of the engagement layer, helping you keep your most important listings accurate and optimized, shield them from external edits, and push out updates when you need to. The next step, LocalBuilder, goes to work on the authority layer, building and fixing listings on those authority boosting sites, all with no danger of data reverting back. Together, they put you in complete control so you can rescue your marketing budget and become the listings hero the web needs today.